continues that 1/3 of the homes for sale in Annapolis are over $1 million. It's Friday, May 26, 2023. Hats off. Congratulations to all graduates of 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. Homes for sale in Annapolis rose to 99 this week. 9 new properties hit the market since my last report. 20 homes are poised to hit the market as coming soon. 19 homes went under contract and 19 went to pending, both declining this week. 30 sold over the past week, a rise from last week and selling in just 4 days, and increasing to 104.5% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell was in South River Manor for $3,100,000. Homes for lease fell to 19 at $2,900 per month in leasing in 13 days. While there continues to be a shortage of affordable rentals in the area, Annapolis did finally approve a 58-unit income-restricted rental community on Forest Drive to be built. Well, that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, May 26th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be safe and enjoy your Memorial Day weekend, and I'll see you next week.